Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fine. So in today's video guys, we're gonna be unboxing this box here I got from Sephora. Basically these are the skin product. Some of the product here you already know them and some of them are new. So I'm going to be showing you what I bought and I'm going to be reviewing the old product for the sake of my new subscribers, because I just realized you guys watch my videos and you subscribe and I'm very happy about that. So thank you so much for subscribing and I'm very happy to have you here today. So let's go ahead and unbox. So these are the products. So guys, first I will start with the face mask. I got two types of face mask. I have this one here. This one is pineapple face mask and matcha tea face mask. So this one is my favorite face mask. I don't know if the camera is focusing well. So this one is my favorite face mask. The reason why I love this mask is because 95% of ingredients are from natural origin and it leaves the skin very smooth and very clear. So to apply this mask on your face, you need to have a clean and dry skin. You apply the mask, you leave it for 5 minutes, and then after that you massage the excess product on your face and you don't need to rinse the product, and that's why I love this mask. Basically I normally use this mask before bedtime and it does wonders on my skin. So the second mask is a pineapple face mask. Basically this one is also my favorite mask. So this one helps to reduce the appearance of pores and that's why I love it. And to use this mask, you need to apply on a clean, dry skin and then you leave it for 5 minutes, and then after that you don't need to rinse. Basically this mask is very good, especially when you use in the morning. I normally use this mask during my morning skincare routine because it keeps my skin moisturized the whole day, and also it helps to reduce the appearance of the pores, which is very good, especially when you're going to apply the makeup. This one makes also the makeup lie on your skin perfect. So moving on, I got some cleansing wipes, and this one are my favorite cleansing wipes. This one I use like every morning and also before bedtime to remove the makeups. To be honest, this product doesn't clear all the makeup on your skin. So what I normally do is first I use the makeup remover, then after that I proceed with these cleansing wipes, and they are very good. They does wonders on my skin. And also the important thing I like about these cleansing wipes, you can also remove eye makeup using these cleansing wipes and they don't irritate the eyes. So this one is also another favorite product I love. Moving on, I got another face mask. This one is made of almond milk and is very good. So this one has 14 pieces inside here. So this is how it look like when you open. So moving on, I got two solid cleansers. Basically these are the soaps and they are made of coconut. So let me open it and show you how it look like. So this is how it look like. Basically this is my favorite solid cleanser. I normally wash my face every time using this soap. I love the way it makes my skin feel smooth, and basically this soap you can use it to wash your face and also you can use it to wash your body. It's very good. So moving on to the next product, I got white clay cleanser. This one is also another product that I love. 96% of the ingredients are from natural origin and I love this one. So let me try to open it and let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Look at that. This is the best clay cleanser I've ever used. Moving on to the next product. This one is from Pix. You all know this one. This is my favorite rose tonic. I love this one and it still remains my favorite. So moving on, I got another product from Sephora. This one is Pulse Serum, and basically I've been using this product for quite some time and it does good on my skin. So this is how it look like. Basically this product helps to reduce the appearance of pores. And what I normally do is I like to use this pineapple face mask, and then after that I go ahead with the Pulse Serum, and the result is amazing. This is how it look like. It's a bit thick. And basically this one you can use in the morning and also before bedtime, and the result is amazing. I love combining the two products. Moving on, I got another product from Sephora. This one is Ultra Glow Serum, and I love it. You all know this one. I just refilled. This is how it look like. This one is 50 ml, and it's very good. It's my favorite serum. This is how it look like. So it look like it's very clear. I normally use this product in the morning, and it's very good. So moving on, I have another product. This one is from Clinique. Basically this one is MATCHA Sanch. So this one I just refilling because I've been using it for quite some time. So this is how it look like, and this one is 50 ml. When you open, there is this cover here. Just remove it. And this is how it look like. It's also my favorite moisturizing cream. It does good on my skin, and basically this product is very good. Basically I normally use this product every morning, and it helps to keep my skin moisturized the whole day. Very good. So moving on, I have another product from The Ordinary. Basically this one is new. I want to try it out. This is how the product look like. So let me open it. So this is how this product look like. It's colorless. Also, I can't feel the smell, I don't know. So this one I cannot talk much about it because it's the new product. I've never used it before. This one I will give you the review after using it. If it's work good on my skin, I'll come back and give you the reviews. So yeah. So the last product I got is facial roller. Is from Sephora, and let me show you how it look like. I like the way they pack. So it comes with this bag here in pink. Very nice. And then this is the product here. So this is how it look like. I love the color. It's very nice light pink, and it feels very smooth. They also give me some free samples. These are the perfume testers. This is another one. So there is another gift here. They also give me this one. Actually, I don't know what is this. Let me open it. So this one is a hand wrap. They give me as a gift, and basically this one you use when you're doing your makeup or when you're washing your face, just to protect your hair from getting the product or getting the water that is. So guys, all these products I bought them online, and I will make sure I will leave the links on the description box below, so that if you like any of this product or you are using any of this product, so you can purchase them direct from the links. So guys, this marks the end of this video, and thank you so much for your time, and thank you again for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate that. And in case you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit subscribe button below, put notification bell on, so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video here. So see you on my next one. Bye.